Some stories begin on paper, but the best ones start with the sound of an engine and a road that never ends. Imagine waking up above the clouds, in a home that moves with the rhythm of your heartbeat, where the sunrise meets your window and the horizon feels close enough to touch. This isn't just a journey. This is the freedom you've been waiting for. Welcome back to Car Flair, where dreams ride on wheels and every mile is a story waiting to be lived. Today, we step into a legend of travel, the 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome camper bus, a masterpiece that turns every destination into home. From the outside, it's a breathtaking sight, tall, commanding, and graceful. The body glows under sunlight with a smooth metallic finish and aerodynamic flow lines that reduce drag and add elegance. Dual panoramic windshields, wide windows stretching across both decks, and smart LED light bars define its futuristic presence. With chrome-trimmed mirrors, roof-mounted solar arrays, and side storage compartments, this bus isn't just transportation. It's a moving luxury villa built to conquer continents. Under the hood lies pure Toyota innovation, a 4-liter twin-turbo hybrid diesel engine producing 430 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and an electric torque assist system that balances raw strength with efficiency. The new hybrid setup cuts emissions by nearly 12% compared to the previous generation, while adaptive suspension makes every mile feel like gliding on silk. Long routes feel effortless, steep climbs feel steady, and quiet roads feel truly quiet. Step inside, and the magic unfolds. On the lower deck, the spacious lunch lounge greets you with plush leather seats, foldable tables, panoramic side glass, and ambient lighting. It feels like a mobile cafe, built for travelers who love comfort wrapped in style. Conversations flow here, laughter echoes softly, and the world outside becomes a moving movie. The kitchen follows with a full-size sink, double-burn induction cooktop, fridge-freezer combo, oven, microwave, and even a built-in coffee station. Every cabinet closes softly, every inch reflects craftsmanship. Whether you're parked beside a forest or near a coastline, it feels like your own 5-star suite. The bathroom combines luxury and utility. Glass-enclosed shower, modern vanity, heated water system, and ventilation for perfect airflow. It's compact yet premium, designed to refresh you anywhere. Upstairs, the bedroom suite steals the spotlight. A panoramic sleeping space with a queen bed, LED ambiance, side shelves, and a skylight above your pillow. Imagine falling asleep watching the stars above the mountains. Serenity on wheels. Moving forward, the driver cabin on the lower deck stands as Toyota's finest example of ergonomic design. High-back air-cushioned seats, digital navigation, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise, and a silent, responsive steering system. It's a command center that feels alive. My opinion? The 2026 Toyota double-decker motorhome camper bus is not just evolution, it's transformation. Every upgrade speaks of thoughtful engineering, every curve whispers luxury, and every system runs with Toyota's timeless reliability. It's built not for travelers, but for storytellers. Some people drive to escape home, others drive to find it. But with this Toyota, you carry home with you, across deserts, through rain, and into the golden quiet of endless roads. Subscribe to Car Flair, where every road becomes a memory, and every journey begins with a spark that never fades.